Extract file name from path, no matter what the os/path format. Which Python library can I use to extract file names from paths, no matter what the operating system or path format could be? For example, I'd like all of these paths to return me C.
Using os.path.split or os.path.basename as others suggest won't work in all cases. If you're running the script on Linux and attempt to process a classic Windows-style path, it will fail. Windows paths can use either / or / as path separator. Therefore, the path module, which is equivalent to os.path when running on Windows, will work for all one paths on all platforms. Of course, if the file ends with a /, the base name will be empty, so make your own function to deal with it. Verification. There's one caveat. Linux file names may contain backslashes. So on Linux, /b/c always refers to the file b/c in the A folder, while on Windows, it always refers to the C file in the B subfolder of the A folder. So when both forward and backward slashes are used in a path, you need to know the associated platform to be able to interpret it correctly. In practice, it's usually safe to assume it's a Windows path since backslashes are seldom used in Linux file names, but keep this in mind when you code so you don't create accidental security holes.
There's a function that returns exactly what you want. Warning: when os.path.basename is used on a POSIX system to get the base name from a Windows-styled path, for example c:\my\file.txt, the entire path will be returned. Example below from Interactive Python shell running on a Linux host.
os.path.split is the function you are looking for.
In Python 3.4 or later, with pathlib.path. The .name property will give the full name of the final child element in the path, regardless of whether it is a file or a folder.